Welcome back to another how-to video. Today, we're switching gears up a little bit. We're focusing more on your phone than your shredder. We're still going to be talking about some cool stuff for your ride though. So, your electric shredder comes with built-in Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your phone using the DTV app. The app is super useful because it gives you live data from your shredder. Plus, it lets you tweak the settings and profiles to get the best ride possible. First thing you're going to want to do is head over to your iOS or Android store and grab the DTV app. I've dropped some links in the description below so you can just click those to get started. And once it's installed, you'll be asked to log into your DTV account. If you've already got one, just log in and we can skip ahead. If not, don't worry. It's a quick setup. Just click sign up now, enter your email, and create a password. It might ask you for some 2FA stuff, but just confirm with your email and you're in. Once you're inside the app, you'll be able to hit scan for nearby shredders. Make sure your shredder is powered on and it should pop up. Hit connect and you're all set. If there's a firmware update available for your shredder, the app will let you know right away and prompt you to update. This is a good thing because staying up to date ensures you're getting the best ride with the latest improvements. Also make sure to keep the phone in range of the shredder until the update is complete. The app also tracks your trips. You can look back at where you've been, check your stats, and even start planning your next adventure. It's a great way to see how far you've gone and what terrain you've covered. So you may have noticed, there's no speedometer on the shredder itself. Don't worry, the app's got you covered. You can check your live speed and battery level directly in the app. Super handy, right? Now here's where things get really cool. The app lets you adjust the performance of your shredder using different profiles. These are preset modes that optimize your ride depending on what kind of terrain you're on. Whether you're shredding through dirt, snow, or pavement, you can switch between profiles to match the environment. And hey, feel free to experiment. Try using a profile outside its intended terrain. You might find a ride you love that you didn't expect. If you're new to the shredder, or if you're helping someone get the hang of it, the app also has different rider profiles: beginner, intermediate, and expert. These profiles adjust the power and performance of the shredder so beginners can start with something manageable, while experts can go full throttle. And that's the DTV app in a nutshell. Keep an eye on it because we're constantly making updates and adding new features to improve your experience. So download the app, connect your shredder, and start riding smarter today. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep shredding.